Hi guys, this is the Affiliate Hustler back again with a new video. And in today's video it's not a make money online video, but in this case I will bring you a video where I will show you how I design my thumbnails and an alternative free way that you can start doing for creating good and absolutely very good thumbnails. And obviously it won't require much of your time. It's just designing one template for one time, and once you have that template you just reuse it for time and time again. Yes, now before we jump to the video and I really show you how I create my thumbnails, I really encourage you to hit that subscribe button. Yes, hit that bell notification icons, and obviously go check out other of my videos so that you help me with the YouTube algorithm. Yes, without further ado, let's get into the video. So let's get into the video. Yes, the first app program for designing thumbnails that I want to show you is called Canva. Now, this is not the one I'm using right now. In a second, we are going to get in the app that I'm going to use it. You may be seeing it here, thumbnailblaster. But I'm going to show you first the app that I used first when I started YouTube for creating my thumbnails. Yes, this is called Canva.com. You may know it because many YouTubers mention it online and YouTube, on Instagram for creating. I also create my Instagram content with this app. Here I create my Pinterest content, I create my Instagram content, I create my IGTV content. I created here, in the past I created my thumbnails. So Canva is an all-in-one designer platform where you can just design logos, flyers, YouTube thumbnails, content for Instagram, Pinterest, for all type of social media, even Twitter, Facebook. If you just put something here on the search bar on Canva, you name it, they have it for any type of social media. Yes, so if you search, they have poster landscape, logo designs, presentation designs, flyers, flyer landscape, card portrait, A4 document. You can even import your custom dimensions for creating any type of design. The good thing about Canva is that they give you their own templates. Let me, for example, use you search for YouTube thumbnail. As you can see, YouTube thumbnail, and here you will see thousands of templates you can start using. This template, for example, is amazing for YouTube. You can create thousands of templates for free with Canva. They have a lot of templates. Like, I stopped using Canva mainly because the templates they have here, it's more aimed to bloggers than for YouTubers who create content like me, for example, related to make money online, where you have to create more eye-catching or more clickbaity thumbnails. So that is why I stopped using Canva for my own thumbnails. In that case, that is not however, that's not the case with Canva. If you have the creativity, you can create a lot of clickbaity thumbnails. Yes, because why thumbnails are important in YouTube, let's be honest, because all of what you do of the only thing that comes down to YouTube is that you have audience, that you must have audience retention. So the only thing that comes down to YouTube is that you have a good audience retention and a good click-through rate. And this is where the thumbnail comes into place, because the click depends all solely on your thumbnail. So if you don't have an eye-catching thumbnail, your click-through rate to your video won't be that good. Yes, so that is why a thumbnail is very important for your content and for your YouTube videos. Obviously, to have an improved click-through rate. So if you have an improved click-through rate, a good click-through rate and a good audience retention, meaning that people stay longer in your videos, then YouTube will start sharing your content organically through suggested, through explore page, or through browse. Yes, so as you can see, you can create thousands of template, you can choose thousands of templates and do thousands of thumbnails. Let's choose this one, for example, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to create a template, a thumbnail on Canva. It's just like easy as, for example, you can even just change the image. You can just change the position of the image. For example, let's say, for example, you want to put the title of your video is how to jump the rope. Just put the title of your videos, just hit download, and you have an already made thumbnail for your video. Now, as I said, this is not as eye-catching or as clickbaity as my thumbnails. I don't know if my thumbnails are that clickbaity, but I consider them a little bit clickbaity. But you can, if you want to, jump your game, or if you want to improve your thumbnails, I would really recommend you to add some elements here on the Elements tab. Yes, just use some elements. You can just put some stickers. You have a lot of stickers to use. You can use, just add emojis, add these types of things. Make your thumbnails more eye-catching, and you have tools with Canva to do that. Like you have elements. You can start using elements to make your thumbnails more eye-catching. Obviously, when doing your thumbnail, you don't have to. They don't allow you to put GIFs on your thumbnail, so obviously don't. I'm going, for example, to use a click emoji. As you can see, a good rule of thumb is always to add like a thumbnail, a click emoji, just to make the viewer click the video. Yes, for example, this one or this one. This is very good. This one is great. For example, you can start like putting these things that psychologically make the viewer click on that video. Yes, so just the only downside of Canva is that the templates are not that eye-catching or that clickbaity, but you can compensate that by yourself making it clickbaity with the elements that Canva gives you. Yes, now you can pay a monthly membership, that is the pro membership for Canva, and they will give you thousands of elements for free, which I have, and I really recommend you to also start with the pro membership of Canva too. Now I'm going to show you the tool I'm using to create my thumbnails. Yes, and that is called thumbnailblaster. Yes, I will leave my affiliate link to thumbnailblaster so that you help me out. And thumbnailblaster is just more aimed for those YouTubers who want to make thumbnails which are more clickbaity and eye-catching. I'm going to show you the templates that they have. They have thousands of templates to choose from, as you can see, the templates are aimed for improving your YouTube click-through rate. Like as you can see, they have arrows, they have like more eye-catching thumbnails. In this case, I don't have the pro membership of thumbnailblaster, so I will remove the club. But as you can see, the defaults that they give you are very eye-catching and are very clickbaity, because that's the thing of thumbnails that we want. As you can see, this thumbnails, for example, for someone that creates animal content or animal related content, is great. This one for someone that creates content on how to lose weight, how to improve your basketball game, for product reviews, for top 10 videos, for example, and they are very aimed for improving your click-through rate on YouTube. Yes. Now I'm going to show you the ones I made, and obviously you will see the one that I'm using, which is this one. This is a template that I am always using with thumbnailblaster. I have always also used the next one that was to the thumbnail I use. So as you can see, it's very easy to. It's like also like Canva. It's very easy to use. this photo, I just take a photo of me with my phone, and I just edit it with Photoshop and just import it to Thumbnail Blaster. Like, you can do the same. It's not mandatory to do that. Like, I just wanted to put my face on the videos, that's it. But you can easily just do the same. They even give you elements, they give you basic shapes, they give you arrows for you to also put on the thumbnails that you can customize the way you want. You can put thousands of titles with thousands of customizable fonts. They have badges, they have cutouts, which are like little images that are little PNG images with no background. Like, they are transparent images for you to choose in your thumbnail, that you, because the thing with these images is that they are like stock photos, like stock PNG photos that you can use on your thumbnails. And they even give you dividers, they give you these e-commerce elements, which are very cool. They give you you can use emojis, which these emojis are very clickbaity. They have also all sorts of things you can use to make your thumbnails look great and very clickbaity. As you can see, just some text boxes, holiday elements. These are just great elements to use on your thumbnails. Yes, that obviously Canva don't have, and it's not as customizable and clickbaity as Thumbnail Blaster. Yes, and you have thousands of improved templates you can use for any type of niche channel you are running. Yes, so yeah, that's it for Thumbnail Blaster. I just think it's better if you want to improve your click-through rate on YouTube, and I really recommend it. Yes, so that was it for this video, guys. If you like Canva and if you like Thumbnail Blaster, let me know in the comment section below what you think about them, and obviously like on this video, share it, and obviously, well, let me know everything about this video. Yes, see you till next video, guys.